Me. All right, so I'm so excited. My car recorder just arrived, and I thought I have you here while I open it up. Here's the magic that we've all been waiting for. Da-da-da. This is actually really beautiful. So here we go. This is going to be how I learn to chord. Apparently you can type as fast as you can think. And I've been using a lot of voice transcription because I like expressing myself at full speed. And so typing is just too slow. And I hope this can make that better. So let's check it out, All right, exciting. Oh, it's really smooth. Way to go, Charachorder team. And look at that, beautiful. The way this works is that you hold your fingers on the keys and there's a bunch of thumb keys as well. Amazing. And even though there's only 4 keys, whatever combination you push of the keys, you get different words come out. You can just type as fast as you can play the chords. I'm particularly looking forward to having this in VR so that I'll be able to wear this and like type while I'm hanging out with people in VR. So, exciting times, looking forward to exploring it. All right, so I played around with it a little bit. I'm still excited. A couple little things. On a Mac, there's some little gotchas, actually for everybody. So let me show you. On a Mac, you'll see this keyboard setup assistant, and the Charachorder is plug and play, so you don't even need to do this. On Windows or Linux, you won't get that. It just works out of the box. So they say just to close it, you don't even need to go through the setup. So there we go. All right. Now, the next thing is when you first get it installed, you have this getting started page. And there's a lot of different places you can go, all things to learn as you're learning how to chord. But as I was looking through, I just really wanted to get started. And I found that iq-eq.io is their typing assistant. And that was really, of all the things, it shows you that it goes through and teaches you characters, teaches you chords, teaches you how to type in sentences more effectively, keeps track of how you're going as you develop. So yeah, and then I'm going to check this out, Charachorder One. Here we go. Now we can see on my Charachorder as I type E, T, N, and there we go. I'm learning how to type as well as seeing it. It's awesome. So yeah, if you feel a little bit of overload when you first get it, just go straight here and you can start typing. And after you learn all the characters, you then can master doing chords. I'm going to be using it on the VR headset a lot. I swapped out the square USB cable for a USB-C to USB-C, but I'm still going to be using a dongle so that I can have power going in as well as the keyboard. So I'm also going to be setting up this wear recorder where I will attach this here, I'll attach these clips to my belt and be able to walk and type or just sit down and always know my keyboard's right there. I've seen people use wear recorders in like accessibility situations where you're trying to communicate with someone who's hard of hearing or who has trouble speaking. So yeah, that's pretty amazing. And I'm really looking forward to this journey. I haven't yet mastered the typing, so I hope that I can get up to 300 words a minute or 500 words a minute. They say that you can type as fast as you can think, which is what I'm really looking forward to. And yeah, when I get to anywhere close to that, I'm going to recommend it to everybody. Cool, thank you, and I'll see you soon.